Hello friends, I am Shweta Papriwal and today we will discuss about the upcoming IPO of Suryoday Small Finance Bank Limited, that is SSFB, which will open on March 17th and close on March 19th. दोस्तों, आने वाले सभी IPOs की जानकारी के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल IIFL Markets को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए. Friends, SSFB is one of the leading SFBs in India in terms of net interest margin, return on assets, yields and deposit growth. The bank had the lowest cost to income ratio among SFBs in India in FY20. Prior to commencement of operations as a SFB, Suryoday operated as a NBFC MFI, having begun its microfinance operations in 2009. SSFB has presence across 13 states and union territories with customer base standing at 1.44 million as of December 31, 2020. SSFB's product offerings are: asset products consist of inclusive finance portfolio comprising of loans to joint lending groups, commercial vehicle loans, affordable housing loans, micro business loans, unsecured MSE and SME loans and other loans. Liability side products comprise of CASA, salary savings accounts and a variety of deposit accounts including recurring deposits and fixed deposits sourced from customers across India. Other banking facilities, products and services like debit cards, internet banking, mobile banking, online bill payment services, distribution of third-party life and general insurance and mutual fund products to generate non-interest income. The key strengths for SSFB are: customer-centric approach with a focus on financial inclusion, diversified asset portfolio with a focus on retail operations, fast evolving granular deposit franchisee, leveraging emerging technologies to enhance digital footprint, strong credit processes and robust risk management framework, strong financial track record and cost efficient operations, multiple distribution channels, experienced leadership team, professional management and strong corporate governance. Following are the key strategies that SSFB intends to pursue going ahead. First, expand their asset portfolio while focusing on secured lending. Second, strengthen their retail liability franchisee. Third, continue to focus on technology and data analytics to grow operations. And fourth, expand geographic presence and penetrate further into existing geographies. Let us discuss the IPO details now. The IPO will open on March 17th and close on March 19th. The price band for the IPO is Rs 303 to Rs 305 per equity share. The offer comprises of a fresh issue of approximately Rs 248 crore and an offer for sale of approximately Rs 333 crore, aggregating to Rs 581 crore at the upper end of the price band. The lot size is of 49 shares. You can apply to this IPO through IIFL Markets app. You can also click the link in the description box to apply. Thank you.